So it's several ways to get into flipping pallets. There's several ways, and I'm only gonna share one of the ways with you right now. We do have a course that's coming out. It'll have our supplier listing to show you how to do it from A to Z, how to get into it, so you won't make any crazy mistakes that we already need to research and we get into pallets. But one way, you can buy them from us. Yes, you can buy from us. You don't need any kind of reseller credentials or anything to buy straight from us. Those credentials are needed when we buy from our suppliers. But you get the course and everything, we'll give y'all the supply list. We'll walk you through it, show you the different platforms of how to sell the merchandise. Right now I sell eBay, do Facebook Marketplace, and there's several other ways that you can move and sell this product. One way, I'm gonna give y'all this one. I say I'm gonna give y'all one thing. The one was you can buy from us. The second one is pawn shop. Buy this stuff, pallet, sell what you can for the highest you can, and whatever you got left, when it makes quick money, go to the pawn shop and pawn it. Yep, I said it, pawn it. Take it to the pawn shop. Take it to the pawn shop. That's what you can do. But we got these pallets. We got them going. Go on, start flipping pallets. It's a great income. I was doing, put it like this. I did eBay when I very first started eBay. This 2013. I did in 5 months. I did like $35,000, and I was not doing pallets. So imagine what that thing looking like now. Imagine what it's looking like now. Imagine what it's looking like now. Now you got access to pallets, and then to be able to do it, I was doing laptops and stuff like that then, but now, so we actually want to create resellers. Coach Ron is dropping a course, flipping pallet course program to show you from A to Z and LMNOP how that thing go. So also this is a store. This is our he has a store that we was doing out of, but you can just say like this is like a franchise version. So we considering doing the franchise thing, trying to figure out the ways with it. But right now you can just start just purchasing pallets from us and reselling it. Email me if you're interested in the program, the course. But like for example, generator. And I'm gonna hop off because somebody messaged me right now trying to get one of these generator pallets, and I'm about to close soon. So let me hop off this thing. Look at that, man! Look, a whole generator on that thing, $1,000. The generator costs $900 and something by itself, so everything else is a bonus on that pallet. This right here, the generator costs $600 and something, $697. The welding like around $500 or $600. You're already at $1,200 with them two, and you got the rest of it. They don't got a generator on it. It's got tools on it, a nail gun, a little blower at the bottom, attic fan, some heavy duty hose pipes. Down right there, $800 got a weed eater. Yeah, you right, I say weed eater. A lawnmower, a little lawnmower. That boy country, everybody from the shop. Yeah, I'm from Birmingham, Alabama. They say we slow, but we fast enough to make this money though.